Here's how to change the keyboard on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're bored with the default keyboard, maybe you want a different language, or you want a different theme, or emojis, animojis, all of those things. I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is just hop into, say, a text message in iMessage. Now, on here, you can see it pops up with the default keyboard. Now, this is the QWERTY or QWERTY, which is the top letters at the top left, indicating this style of keyboard. Now, on here, depending on the keyboards that you have enabled, at the bottom left, you'll be able to tap to basically open up different keyboards. You can see I can tap on it, and it pops up with my Emoji Keyboard. Now, on here, I can use basically any of my recent emojis. I can also go over to the entire list of all of the emojis that are basically cataloged onto my iPhone. So I have the ability to search the emojis, and then when I find one, I can just enter that in and paste it into a text like that and hit go. Now, this is a bit different from other options that you have. You can tap the little plus next to the iMessage here. And you can also, on here, include various stickers, but you can also have emojis and images. These are kind of GIFs that are built into your keyboard. You can have photos, all that stuff. But let's go back to the normal ABC here. Now, on here, you have the ability to customize this keyboard within the settings. So let's hop out of here and go into your settings. Let me go back here. Let's tap on General and then scroll down to Keyboard. Now at the very top, you'll be able to see Keyboards 2. I have 2 enabled. I can tap on it and you can see the US English keyboard and the Emoji Keyboard. I can always hit add new ones, and basically it allows me to add any different third-party keyboards or built-in iPhone keyboards. So let's say, for instance, instead of just English United States, I wanted to do English UK. I could switch over to that, or I could do Dutch, or I could do French. I have complete control in which keyboards and which languages that I want to have on here, and I can dual function between different keyboards, basically swapping between the 2 different ones easily. So let's say I wanted to switch to English UK as another one, as another option for my keyboard. Now that I've added that, I can pop back in here, and you'll see at the bottom left is a little globe icon. I can tap on it, and it will switch. You can see with a space bar, says English US, and then English UK. But you can also tap and hold on it, and then choose the exact keyboard that you want here, either English UK, English US. You can have a left-handed keyboard or a right-handed keyboard. That's if basically you have one finger or one thumb and you can't really reach all the way over to the other side of the phone. You can cram everything to the left side or cram everything to the right side. Now, these are all the built-in settings for the keyboard, but you can also download and install third-party keyboards to use on your phone. So you'll be able to see here, I downloaded and installed Gboard, which is Google's version of a keyboard. This allows you to customize it, change the colors, use a bunch of different settings that are built into Google, which is really cool. So just go to the App Store and download and install it. And then after you basically tap on keyboard settings here, you can customize and control it. You can go to themes. You can customize the theme that you want for that Google or Gboard. And then let's turn it on by tapping on settings, and we'll hit add new keyboard and hit Gboard here. Now on here, I want to allow full access. And then when I hop back into here, I can tap and hold on the globe and switch over to Gboard. And just like that, I have the Gboard or Google board on here that I can use as a third party, which gives me a bunch of different new cool features that I can change and customize on that keyboard. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.